Electricity and Magnetism, Current Electricity, Concise Physics, Class 10, Part 2, Selina Publishers. Now, what are the concepts? This is Part 1. Concept of charge, current, potential and all. Now, what do you mean by charge? Dekho, when two non-conducting bodies, they are not conductors of electricity, non-conducting bodies like glass, silk or ebonite, far, ऐसे दो non-conducting bodies, if they are rubbed together bar, there is a transfer of electrons from one body to the other. The body which gains the electrons, since electrons are negatively charged, so the body which will gain the electrons becomes negatively charged, and the body which loses the electrons becomes positively charged. So there are two kinds of charges, as we have seen, positive charge and negative charge. Now, if two like charges, suppose this is negative and this is also negative, they come in contact with each other, they will constantly repel each other. That is repulsion, you know. And when a negatively charged body and a positively charged body are attracted, they will come close to each other, they will always attract each other. Now, the charge on a body, it will be negatively charged, but it will be the one who will give away will be positively charged. Each charge is denoted by the symbol Q, and this is known as charge. Now, what is its unit? I'll tell you. The SI unit of charge is Coulomb. C. Actually, he was the founder of it. The smaller units of charge hoche millicoulomb, microcoulomb and nanocoulomb. These are the smaller units. 1 millicoulomb is tumhara 10 to the power minus 3. Micro is 10 to the power minus 6. 3 karke बढ़ रहा है. Nano is 10 to the power minus 9 coulombs. Now the quantity of charge is determined how? By the number of electrons. If the body is positively charged, how much they are giving away, or the number of electrons in excess if the body is negatively charged and it is receiving. So, the number of electrons which are received either or given away by a body will show its amount of charge, coulombs. Now, charge on a body will always be, it will be a multiple of the charge on an electron. Multiples of, mani kono decimal mein nahi hoga. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, like that. It will be done. In deficient electron, positive sign, and in excess electrons, negative sign will be there. And 1 coulomb means, it's a deficit of 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. ঠিক আছে? এটাই হচ্ছে main numberটা. Now, এবার হচ্ছে concept of current. এটা বলে note is there, so we can do, questions might come, but already 3 in a non-conductor, the charge resides at a point where there is an excess or deficit of electrons. এখন দেখো chargeটা static হয়. Why is the charge static? Because it is found at a point where there is either an excess charge or a deficit. At that point only it is found. They are not moving. That's why they are not current. And in a conductor, like a metal, charges move throughout that product. That's why it's called current electricity. The conductor, although electrically neutral hotei pare, but they have a large number of mobile or free electrons. You get ready. Which can flow through the volume of the conductor. That's it. So close.